Assalamualaikum my lovely viewers. This is Hello IT World Learning Tutorial channel for you. Today in this tutorial I am going to show you how to set or insert commerce icons in Microsoft Word in Windows 11. So for this case we will open a Microsoft Word file, so here I have opened it before. So in this file we'll go to the insert option. So here the lots of options is presenting here the icons we click. So what we want the commerce icons. So here the in below side the commerce option has been, the commerce icons has been revealed, which have by default in this Microsoft Word Office. So click this. See, the commerce icons is presenting here. So if we mark one, then insert one. Then if you wanna take the multiple things, then insert four. So click here. See, the multiple commerce icon has been appear in this file. So now we wanna do the size has been increased or decreased. See, the size has been increased or decreased in this way. So also we can do the with text wrapping or without. So see, if we press this and the system has been, see, we can move it easily. The icons has been revealed on the written part, and that means the front side, and the written part has been background system. So now if we delete this, then we will get it properly. So now we wanna do this picture increase, that we will get it work properly with the system of graphics. So here the graphics format. So how it will work? So here first of all we have to select this, otherwise it will not work. So select the one, then we want to do the graphics field. So click here. See, the lots of color has been revealed here. So we will select this, or if we want to change the color, or we want to do the relevant or according to the project color which have been decided before, or the official site decided predefined, then we will do this here. So now we will select this or any kinds of color for learning purpose. So then we will do the graphics outline. How it work? First of all, click here, mark here, then click this, and the icon outline is revealed here. Now we want to do the outline is decrease or increase. How it will work? So click this again, and the weight, that means see, the size has been in decrease. That means we have just marked this section. So in this way we can adjust the border size or the outline size has been increased in this way. Now finally we will work this, how graphics format, graphics effect we will do. So there is a lots of effect sign has been revealed. So if we work this, so click here. Now also the shadow, reflections, glow, soft edge, bevel, 3D rotation. See, the 3D rotation has been revealed or in this way. So in this way we will learn these things. So thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe this channel. Hopefully this tutorial will help you so much.